Well, I should say I am a very senior citizen, I must say, because I am 78 plus, and she is my wife, Dr. Param Sachdeva. And as far as this particular lift is concerned, truly speaking, I am very much satisfied. Why I required this? Because my wife, once she was going downstairs and she was holding both in both the hands she was holding something or the other for morning walk. And so she fell down on the last step. So there was a fracture. Then we felt that at least we must have a lift for going to first floor, since we are staying at first floor. So we have our puja room on the second floor. So daily we are supposed to climb to the second floor. So since that day she is enjoying and she is doing her worship and enjoying the retired life as well. There is no digging, and it was as simple as anything. We can remove it from one place and to another place without making any disturbance. Moreover, the ground floor people never objected, only because it was cute and very pretty, and moreover very beautiful and compact in size. Or moreover, one thing I tell you, when I booked it, it was very economical if compared with the others.